I'm Brad from Tsunami Compressed Air Solutions, and I'd like to take a couple minutes just to explain the importance of automatic drains on air compressors. There's many type of drains. What I'm demonstrating here is just a representation of an automatic drain. That's a timed electronic drain. What we have here is a little demonstration simulating two air compressor tanks. What we do is we're putting air in both these tanks. So we filled air in each of these tanks, so we have equal pressure in each tank. But if you notice, this tank is empty as it's had an automatic drain on there, and that's drained the condensation and the water out of this tank. This tank has not been drained, relying on somebody to maybe manually drain it, that they forgot to drain it, or a drain that's not properly working. So this tank is filled up with water. But I'll show you the amount of work you can get done, and this is why it's important to always have your tanks drained. These two little pistons are going to go up, and we're going to see which one stays up the longest. The tank that has not been drained or the tank that has been drained. So we've already run out of compressed air in this tank here. So if you're using an air tool or you're using that compressor to do work, your compressor would already be starting up again to try to run to replace that air. Look how much more work we had done in the tank here that has just compressed air into it. Again, showing what happened. What we're trying to do is just show the importance of having an automatic drain on any type of an air compressor.